Here we go again. One more dinghy mooring ball. Stephen will have to swim to shore. Today, we're going to visit the Bat Cave.
Oh my God, he's way back there. How far?
Bunch of bats in here.
Really? You see him?
Yeah.
Oh God. Are they just sleeping?
No, they're not sleeping.
What are they doing?
All right.
Flying? Oh, jeez. Don't go. There.
Flashlight's handy.
Where? Oh my God. There's a rope there. Oh my God. Oh. Are they flying just because your flashlight?
Yeah.
Go up to the ceiling. Oh, 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 oh God. Put it up there again. Okay.
Moving on?
Further? I ain't going any further.
Why not? Roaches. Let's go see what's up here.
I ain't going up there. You can go up there. I ain't going up there. Oh my God.
Cockroaches everywhere.
Oh, really?
An awful place to live.
It's awful. I can't believe you want to go up there.
It ends up here.
Okay, good. Oh my God.
Oh, they're all hanging on the ceiling.
Oh, gross. What's the line for?
It's just a vine.
Oh, a vine.
Yeah.
You're not scared?
No.
Oh, God. I wouldn't stay there.
Huh?
Okay, you having fun?
Did you get any video?
Yeah, I got a video. Happening.
Came through?
What?
You think it came out?
Well, yeah. I mean, it's on my phone. Yeah. Okay, I'm leaving now.
See them hanging up here?
Here's the Sweetheart Bar and Grill. Open Wednesday to Sunday.
What's today?
Today is Saturday.
Oh.
They open at 9 o'clock. Looks like they got nice sayings like drink responsibly, don't spill it. When life gives you lemons, grab tequila and salt. Over here we have the Heroes Wall. The Heroes Wall is I don't know what the Heroes Wall is. Oh, memorial for service to God and country. That's nice that they did that. Small island went to the effort. Well, that was fun, wasn't it? The crazy thing is, I'm the one that wanted to go. Steven's the one that goes in. I like how this works. Yeah, it's perfect. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Subscribe to get more videos. And, of course, there's always Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.